Hi guys, how's it going? Today's video I just wanted to share with you 3 of my go-to hairstyles that I always turn to just because they're super easy and quick to do, so I just thought I would share them with you guys. Okay, so this first hairstyle is my natural waves that I like to do probably about once a week. So basically all I do is just split my hair in half, and you can have your part wherever you like it. And I'm really just gonna focus on curling the ends of my hair, so I'm not gonna section it up or anything like that. I'm just going around my entire head and focusing on the bottom half of my hair. And once I'm done that, I'm gonna run my fingers through it just to break up the curls and make it look a little more natural. And that's when I'll go around the top half of my head. Basically what I'm doing is just grabbing random sections and just curling them a little bit closer to the root. I find this gives a nice natural beachy wave look. Yeah, I absolutely love doing this style just because it does take me like less than 5 minutes, probably because I don't have a ton of hair either, but I just find it's a really nice natural looking curl. This next style is just a low chignon hairstyle, and basically what I'm going to do is pull my hair to one side, and I'm going to use 3 bobby pins and just secure my hair to the side. So I find using 3 really helps keep it nice and secure and in place. Then I'm going to take all of my hair and wrap it around my hand into like a loop almost, and then I'm going to go back with some more bobby pins and just bobby pin the crap out of that loop until it's staying nicely in place. Once I'm done bobby pinning, I'm just going to take my hands and roughly pull them through my hair a little bit just to loosen it up and make it look a little bit more natural, and that's pretty much it for that hairstyle. Super cute and really, really simple. This last hairstyle is just a basic ponytail, and this is just one of my absolute favorites. It always has been, which is why it's one of my go-tos. And basically what I like to do is turn my head upside down and brush my hair into the ponytail. I find that just helps give it a little more volume. And then I'm going to secure that in place with a scrunchie. This just helps keep the hair from breaking a little bit better than a regular hair elastic, so I've been using them a lot lately. And once my hair is up in the ponytail, I like to pull out the little hairs around my ear, and then I might tug on the hair on the top of my head a little bit just to add some volume there as well. And that's basically it for my average ponytail. So I hope you guys like these 3 hairstyles, and I will see you in my next video.